I will show you guys how to use a while cycle. So when we will use a while cycle, when we don't know how many times the cycle will run, okay? For example, if we are playing a guessing game, so the visitor or the user of our code will guess something, and we don't know, maybe he will be successful after the first guess, maybe he will be successful after the 5th guess, maybe he will be successful after 20th guess. Okay, so we don't know when the game will be over. Okay, so we will do something like that. So for example, we will create a guessing game. It will be guessing game about Harry Potter characters. So I will store their character. It means the string which we need to guess. So for example, Harry, and here will be my guess. Now it's empty, okay, because it's the start of the game. So, and we can use for cycle, okay, because for cycle means that it will goes, for example, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, but we don't know how many times, so we will use while cycle. So while character will be, it's not equal to guess, so it means if I guess something and it will not be Harry, so it means it will ask me again, guess the character, okay? So this means character is not equal to guess. So it means the guess was wrong. If the guess was wrong, so guess is equal, and we will put here input and ask user about new guess. So guess the character from the Harry Potter movie, and I will put here a new line, okay, /n, it means new line. So, and it will ask again, but after that the guess will be equal to character. It means this condition will be false, okay? If the character is Harry and my guess will be Harry, is it true that Harry is not equal to Harry? It isn't true, right? So it means it's false. This is false. So the game will be end, or will end, okay? So we will print you guessed it. Well done. Something like you win. Okay, something like this. So now what is going on? Character is Harry, guess is empty string. So Harry is not equal to empty string. Is it correct? Yes, it is. It is not equal, right? So we will ask the user, okay, make a guess. The user will make a guess, and the guess will be stored here. So if the guess will be, for example, Hermione, so character will be Harry, my guess will be Hermione, and it means it's Harry. It is true that Harry is not equal to Hermione. Yes, it's true, right? So it means my guess was wrong. So it is true. So it means the while cycle will goes again. So again, we will ask a user about his guess, store here, and again, we will compare it. Okay. So after that, the input will run, and my answer will be Harry. So the guess will be Harry. So it means character is Harry. It's here, and my guess will be Harry as well. So what does it mean? Harry is not equal to Harry. It's not equal. So it means this is false, right? Because Harry is equal to Harry, and we say here Harry is not equal to Harry. So it's false. So it means if this is false, it means the while cycle will be over, and we will print you guess it. Well done. Okay, I hope you understand. So now we will check it. So I will run it. Guess the character from the Harry Potter movie. So I will guess Ron, and you can see guess the character from the Harry Potter movie. It will ask me again. So I will put some Hermione. No, it's not true. Okay. So what about Draco? Okay, it's not true. So I will put here, oh, maybe Harry. Okay, you guessed it. Well done. So, but the point is that you don't know how many times the user will ask or will guess okay, because it can go like this. Okay, guess the character from the Harry Potter movie. Okay, maybe Harry Potter. You guess it. Okay, it was. So I needed only one guess, but in the previous example I needed how many? 3 or 4 guesses, right? So you don't know how many times the user will ask or will guess. So it means that you need to use a while cycle. Okay, I hope you understand, guys.